And those are our current Quidditch rankings.
Can't wait until next week's matches.
Agreed. And now for our daily Beastly report. Let's see what our Magi zoologists are up to.
Thank you ever so much, Wendy and Alicia. Beatrix Wisp here, Magizoologist, accompanied by my loyal and trustworthy assistant, Kendra Babnot.
Hey.
Today, my ever-curious friends, we are exploring the flora and fauna of the hitherto relatively undocumented lands of Gwinnett, on a magical search for a beast both magical and magnificent, the flobberworm. While I begin the delicate and diligent effort of locating this Classification X specimen, my assistant will illuminate you on the splendiferous species.
So the flubberworm is a worm. It's brown. It's about 10 inches long. It's usually found in damp ditches. It eats lettuce and cabbage.
Huzzah! I've located a damp ditch! I've brought along some tasty and tempting cabbage with us to coax the crafty flobberworm from its hiding place.
You know you could just use a summoning charm. Flubberworms are one of the few creatures that will react to...
Poppycock! No. That would not be sporting in the least, dear Kendra. I'm confident that with a little discipline and application, we can encounter our quarry.
Suit yourself.
Aha! My prediction proved prescient. I have found us a specimen to examine.
That's an earthworm.
Note how the front and back ends of this flobberworm are indistinguishable from one another. The flobberworm hardly knows if it's coming or going.
But it's not a...
No. We can collect this worm and use the malodorous mucus it secretes to thicken potions. Or we can just fry him up into a fritter as a midday snack.
Pass.
Well, there you have it, Wendy and Alicia. The first of what shall certainly be many exotic and exciting creatures encountered this week in the county of Gwinnett.
Thank you, Beatrix and Kendra. That was certainly interesting.
Yes, it was something all right. No worms for me. I'm trying to cut down.
And that's all for tonight's news on Quibbler TV. I'm Alicia Dawlish.
And I'm Wendy Lestrange. Good night.